In this lesson, we take a look at division by sharing. Examples. We're asked to divide these 16 oranges equally between 4 families. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 oranges. And we're splitting them up equally between 4 families. So let's draw 4 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply a matter of moving the oranges in each of the baskets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 oranges are distributed between the 4 families. Again, let's continue that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we keep on doing that until finally all of the oranges have been split up. Now we can see in the first basket, there are 4 oranges. In the next, also 4 oranges. Then 4 oranges there and 4 oranges there. In other words, each family gets 4 oranges. So we can say that 16 oranges split up between 4 families. We can write that as 16 divided by 4. And the answer equals 4. Terrific. The next one, divide these 15 bananas equally between 3 monkeys. So there's our 1, 2, 3 monkeys. We've got 15 bananas. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and one more makes 15. Again, we just keep on moving the bananas around. All right, take it in turns to give each monkey a banana and then move on. And we've just about done. And once we've finished, let's see what we've got. Let's count the bananas for each monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bananas there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 5 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 bananas there. So each monkey gets 5 bananas. So we had 15 bananas split up between 3 monkeys. We can write that as 15 divided by 3. And the answer equals 5. Right, just before we finish, let's change the green bananas back to